is Madhumita and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to take you to amazing Hyderabad city tour. So we are going to cover two main spots. First spot is the Birla Mandir, the very fascinated Birla Mandir, and the second spot that I'm going to cover in this video is Golconda Fort. So stay tuned and let's get started with the video. I'm going to tell you some interesting facts about Birla Mandir. Fact number one, Birla Mandir is also known as Lakshmi Narayan Temple. It was built in 1976 by Birla Foundation. Fact number two, the temple is dedicated to Lord Venkateshwara, also known as Lord Balaji, and it is also dedicated to Goddess Lakshmi. Fact number three, the temple is made entirely of white marble, which gives it a very stunning and majestic appearance. Fact number four, Birla Mandir offers a panoramic view of the city of Hyderabad from its hilltop location. Fact number five, the architecture of the temple is a rich blend of South Indian, Rajasthani and Utkal styles. Fact number six, this temple complex also houses shrines dedicated to other deities such as Lord Shiva, Lord Ganesha and Lord Saraswati. Fact number seven, the temple attracts thousands and thousands of devotees and tourists every year, making it one of the most visited places in Hyderabad. Fact number eight, Birla Mandir is open to people of all religions, harmony, making it a place where everyone can come together and be united. Fact number nine, this temple is illuminated at night, creating a magical and enchanting atmosphere for visitors. And finally, fact number 10, Birla Mandir is not just a religious site, but also a symbol of architectural beauty and cultural heritage in Hyderabad. I hope you enjoyed learning these fascinating 10 facts of Birla Mandir. So make sure you visit this iconic landmark if you ever find yourself in Hyderabad. Hello, we are just stopping for our lunch in Haldiram restaurant and then we will resume our Hyderabad city tour. So yeah, let me show you around. Guys, now we are beginning with the most interesting part of our video. I will be showing y'all the majestic Golconda Fort. Golconda Fort, here we come. Hello everyone, we have just reached the Golconda Fort, as you can see behind me. So this fort was actually, established when there used to be wars. So now Anupam will tell you something informative about Golconda Fort. Yes Anupam, please go ahead.
You can see behind me this part. So this is the area where warriors used to stand there and fight with guns and ammunition, these artilleries, weapons like guns and तोप जिसे कहते हैं वो भी. And you can see there is a net structures over there in these two between, in this and this one. So this is the Archer's Point.
Clap. If we clap in this position, we get an echo above. We are standing in the center of this fort where we have to just clap, and the echo comes from this point, which is also located at the center of this fort. যাচ্ছিলে?
এটা পুরো কিচেন ছিল।
কিচেন,
এখান
আচ্ছা,
থেকে
হ্যাঁ।
যত সাহেবি খানা যেত।
সাহেবি খানা, ওকে। খুব ভালো। আর এখানেই সব বানানো হতো?
হ্যাঁ।
ওকে,
হ্যাঁ।
শাহি
এখানে অনেক
খাওয়া।
কুণ্ডু আছে।
আচ্ছা,
ওই একটা কুণ্ডু,
কুন্ডু।
হ্যাঁ, মানে জলের কুণ্ডু।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, বাহ। Guys, all this we have stepped. You guys would not believe we actually climbed almost at the top of Golconda Fort. Look at it, guys. We have reached the fort and the number of steps is unbelievable, and the weather over here is so nice, which made this possible because obviously we are not used to climbing so many steps, right? But the weather is very pleasant. There is no rain, there is no scorching sunlight, but because of fresh air and the good greenery around here, the oxygen levels are quite maintained, and due to which we could climb the Golconda Fort.
Almost reaching the end of the fort so that we can go at the top.
Going towards the tip of Golconda Fort.
I think this journey was so fascinating and so refreshing. Obviously, we come from a city place and we live in metropolitan city, so we don't get to walk this much and in this much greenery. We never thought we could come here.
This temple that you're seeing behind me is called Jagadamba Temple, and this you can only access when you come at the top of Golconda Fort. It's not in the ground level, not on the mid level, but actually on the top of Golconda Fort. Jagadamba Temple.
Jagadamba Temple, a temple located at the top of Golconda Fort. You can only see this temple when you climb all the 360 to 380 stairs of Golconda Fort.
Just look at the depth. We have actually, come from here and climbed till here. And now we are returning back. We have to climb downwards. Golconda Fort is famous for various reasons. Golconda Fort was house of many emperors. Let's start. So I have a guide which is a local guide which I got from Golconda Fort, and it has all the details which even internet cannot provide. So let's start with this. As per the guide, it says that Golconda Fort had many kings. The first king was Sultan Quli Qutub Shah. The second king was Jamshid Quli Qutub Shah. The third king was Ibrahim Quli Qutub Shah. Fourth king was Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah. Fifth king was Sultan Muhammad Qutub Shah. And sixth king was Sultan Abdullah Qutub Shah. So yes, it was a house of so many kings. Let me read out some of the history of Golconda Fort for you. Golconda Fort was constructed on a hill. Now this construction was suggested by a shepherd who had a desirability of constructing a fort on this hill. Can you imagine? The king actually listened to a shepherd and he actually approved the shepherd's idea of constructing a fort on a hill. That's really fascinating. Another interesting fact about Golconda Fort, it is about history of Kohinoor diamond in Golconda Fort. The Kohinoor diamond was found during the time of Sultan Abdullah Qutub Shah at a place called Kulor near river Krishna. Muhammad Saeed, who joined Mughal as a rebel in 1656 AD, presented Shah Jahan Emperor the diamond and also many other diamonds as a present. During this time of Muhammad Shah, when there was a massacre in Delhi by Nadir Shah, they took it to Persia. The Kohinoor diamond came to be possessed by Shah Shuja Peshwari. From there it travelled to Punjab, and from Punjab it travelled to Maharaja Ranjit Singh in 1852. Maharaja Ranjit Singh's son Dalip Singh gave this precious Kohinoor diamond to Queen Victoria. Once Queen Victoria got this Kohinoor diamond, it is still there in England. The Kohinoor diamond's weight was 360 carats. Golconda Fort was very famous for having a diamonds market. There is a very famous garden inside Golconda Fort and it is called as Nagina Garden. Now in the Nagina Garden, Abdul Razak and his horse were badly and fatally wounded and they were blown down unconscious. Now when Abdullah Khan Pani by treasury had opened the gate of the fort to the south of this garden, there used to be big swings under arches strongly built in which prince and the princess used to enjoy swimming. There are Qutub Shahi tombs which is now undertaken by State Government Archaeological Department. Daily thousands of visitors come to see these tombs which are lovely and you can buy a ticket to see that. General information about Golconda Fort. Golconda Fort timings are from 9 AM to 6 PM. Golconda Fort light and show timings are: the first show happens in English 7 PM to 8 PM. The second show happens in Hindi and Telugu 8 PM to 9 PM. So yeah, these are some general information of Golconda Fort. This is Sultan Muhammad Qutub Shah, the first person who was responsible for building Golconda Fort. So guys, I hope you loved watching this video. We covered Birla Mandir, we covered Golconda Fort, we covered some very interesting facts about Golconda Fort and Birla Mandir which you might not know from any internet place or anything else, which you can exclusively see in my video. And you all saw the journey that we had from starting with Birla Mandir to climbing the 360 stairs of Golconda Fort, and I really hope you all loved it. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment down on this video. It would mean the world if you like this video and comment down on this video. Keep loving my YouTube channel, keep loving all these videos. And before I end this vlog, picture abhi baki hai mere dost. There are photographs that we took during the day and these are going to be upcoming. See you next time. Bye bye.